channel. So today we have created these bloody amazing looks. There are some things that we are obsessed with.
Obsessed.
Yes.
And then some things,
Yes.
that we're not so obsessed with, but you need to watch the video to find out what we're loving and what we're not.
Also, make sure you stick along to the end of the video because there is a giveaway, and if you're not interested to see how we did this makeup look and just want to enter the giveaway, just swipe to the end. But I'm hoping you're not going to do that. Please watch the video, that would mean a lot.
Yeah,
let's just get on with the video. Right, we went in and bought a full face of Makeup Revolution, so this is quite new. We're going to see how it goes.
So we picked up the primer, which is the Ultra Face Base Primer, the 24-hour makeup protection. So,
cool.
Let's see. I'm on a way. Yeah. I have that song in my head. Okay, this is not the texture that I thought I'd be getting.
Oh my god, it's like gel. I didn't think it was going to be like this. So what's this meant to be? Ultra Face Base Primer, 24-hour. Oh, that's really good. No, but that would be that's really good.
So it's basically meant to hold your makeup for 24 hours. So we'll put that
would be brilliant if it does. I mean, I could put it to the test. Wear this the whole travel to Australia and see if it lasts. Oh my god, I think I'd be dripping.
That actually feels nice. It doesn't
feel
like...
nice. Yeah, it feels really nice in my face.
It's like silicone-y, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
That is nice.
Cute.
So the foundation that we picked up,
where is it? So this one?
So I had a bit of trouble picking out a foundation because they didn't have many shades. Every time I go in there, I can never find my shade.
Which one did you end up going with?
Okay, that's
F4.
I went with F4, so I don't know what this is going to look like, but I can't try that. We might have to put on the base a foundation, and try other products because we can't.
No, that's just going to ruin the whole look.
Yeah, we're going to have to use Fit Me, still drugstore, because I want to be like knowing if I actually love the product.
Yeah, exactly. We're just going to think.
We're not going to know.
Away. Yeah.
So this is in the shade 128, so it's a little bit lighter than what we usually go for, but I feel like this is a better shade for my skin at the moment. We're going to try the concealer, which is the one that I'm sure everybody,
and their mum and their grandma, auntie, everyone has used it.
So it's the Conceal and Define one. This is in C5.
It would be nice to actually use this because I have the Shape Tape, so it would be nice to compare and see, you know, how well, you know, it is compared to it.
Thick formula.
Yeah, so it smells quite nice. So is Shape Tape. It's quite full coverage. So you don't really need a lot, do you?
No, you definitely don't.
No. It's really nice though. I really like this. I actually really like this concealer.
It is really nice. Do you think it's like the other one then? Because you use that.
Yeah, I mean, I can see some similarities. Yeah, I love the shade as well. This is a perfect shade. If you're wondering what shade we picked up, it's C5. Yeah. It's really, really nice. Love that. It's really nice, isn't it? We got next. Is it powder? What powder we got? Oh.
So we've got the Luxury Powder in the banana shade. So
okay. What, should we bake it?
Yeah.
So seeing as it's like powder. Yeah, powder. That's a powder bar.
It's a powder.
It's a powder powder.
Banana powder.
Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. So whack that on there.
Just because you're going to Australia, you don't need to come out with the Australian accent.
It's like yellow. The shade is very obviously because it's banana.
Banana Zell, banana dog.
Banana.
Oh, do you know what? I never put my powder on like this. I thought I'm gonna try something new.
Yeah.
It pushes it right in, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually. I really like this. Oh my good lord. Are we finding like really good alternatives to bloody high-end makeup here?
Oh my god, yeah, because of the concealer, and this is like, it's like a nice change from like the
Laura.
Yeah.
It's a really good translucent
Oh
one.
my god, you're on first name basis.
I always call it Laura. We go way back, me and Laura, so it's fine.
Oh, you put it everywhere? I kind of just put it under my eyes.
But you know how I feel about powder though. I'm on the oily side, so I have to.
I just dab it, I guess, and then I'm not going to go too much. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
So far, I like the primer, I like the texture. It's not sticky, which I like. I can't see if it stays on.
Obviously, yeah.
Concealer, love it. Powder, I like it.
Yeah, same.
It's actually going really well.
This is going really well so far. I'm like,
oh my god, I've just thought, you know the brow thing that we got? I feel like we should have done that first.
What?
Can you do that over your foundation? Yeah, you can.
What is it, like the brow tint? Oh my god, have we got a brow tint?
Yeah.
We got a brow tint. This lasts up for 3 days. What if we hate it?
No, we won't, because we have
That's really exciting.
Maybe you could do it to me.
Okay, maybe. Should we just do bronzer? I feel like we need to bronze up.
Let's bronze up then.
Let's bronze up.
What bronzer have we got?
What bronzer have we got?
This.
I need to get my bronzer brush. I don't think I have it with me. Tears that I fall
mean nothing at all. I can't
It's time to get over yourself.
It's time to get open.
Do you want me to try?
No, because I've started it, and that means that you're just gonna, you know, you just get stressed because you can't open it. So it's this 3-shade palette of bronzers. You get a bronzer, highlighter, and a blusher. And I just thought this was really nice. So obviously we're gonna use the bronzer shade.
Let's test this bad boy out.
To me, that doesn't look like a blusher though.
No, I'd wear that as a bronzer. I might wear that on top. I might even wear just that one. You wear that one and I'll wear this one. Let's see. You tap that, girl.
Tap it all on the floor. Tap it.
Oh,
Whoops.
Shut up. I love that.
I'm like, whoops, you're like, I love that.
No joke, I love this. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm not loving this.
Maybe you put too much on.
I don't think I did though.
I like this.
I mean, I obviously did. Who am I kidding?
You love a good old bronzer though. That's what I mean. You've got to start off lightly. Alright,
ruined it. I've ruined it.
You know when you just ruin it, you're just like, do you know what? I don't even want to carry on.
That's how I feel. Like, I feel really sad. Especially because yours is like...
This one's really nice.
I mean, I'm gonna have to just try and make it work.
You make it work, girl. You can.
I think it's a bit too, like, on the darker side for me. Especially with this.
Really
oh my god,
it.
does it look to the point of, like, looking like muddy?
No, not really. I don't think
I'm
it
gonna
does.
try your one.
It's amazing. I love the
I'm gonna have
blush.
2 sides.
I really like the blush one. It's so nice.
I'm gonna try the blush on this side.
Like, seriously.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
It's so nice, isn't it? It's so nice and warm. It's lovely. I love that one. It's got like really nice sort of sparkly, shimmery tints to it.
So I've got 2 different cheeks. Oh my god, this side looks shocking.
Well, there we go. We'll leave that for people to see. This is what you don't use, this side.
Definitely.
This is the side that you do use. It's the shimmery one. But I must say, like, this is so nice. So the blusher I wouldn't use as a blusher. I'd use it as a bronzer. It's so nice.
Guys, if this side looks really bad,
it's just because she shows you that's not what you're meant to do.
You're gonna have to ignore it because I want to carry on.
How much was this? Was it expensive?
I feel like it was £4.
Oh, let's have a wee look, shall we? Right, so how much was this?
I feel like it was £4.
It was like $3.50, I think.
Yeah.
That's not bad, you know. I'm gonna try that highlighter on later.
Yeah, that's
right
what.
at the
Yeah,
end.
I want the highlighter too. Yeah,
that looks really good. What should we go with next?
The eyebrows.
You really want to get.
I want to try
there
it
with the
I
eyebrows.
want to try the
don't you?
eyebrows.
Right, I'm gonna give the eyebrow thing to Ayse.
Do you not want to try it?
I'm scared because imagine if I don't like it. I'm going to
Just wash it
Australia
off.
tonight. Yeah, but okay. All right, we'll both try it. We should have maybe done this first.
I said that.
So it's basically a brow tint. Me and Ayse have got dark eyebrows as it is. A lot of people think we draw our eyebrows on. We don't. They're naturally very dark. So this is going to be like, really like... Oh,
but you know when you
my
have
Jesus.
like... Why is you... Do you know, you say that a lot.
I don't know where it came from. Look, it says on the back what to do, so don't rip that bit off.
I feel like this is something that we can't do right now. How long do you have to wait?
Let's have a look, let's have a look. Start with the clean brush. No, yeah.
For 2 hours?
Good
We
Lord.
can't try it. Oh, that's so sad. Who waits 2 hours?
Do you know what? You try it.
Yeah.
I'll let you take this with you. You try it and let everyone know what you think. Put it on your Instagram.
I will.
I want to know as well, so make sure you put it on.
I will.
Yeah?
I'll have to try it.
Aisha's going to try that and let us know, because we want to know as well.
Yes.
But we ain't got time to wait 2 hours.
No,
because we've just put our makeup on as well, so I'm guessing that you can't put it on top of this. So we can't. We didn't think that through, did we?
No. We're going to go on with some eyeshadow. Now, we never do eyeshadow on our videos.
So exciting.
But we're going to do it, So the palette that we're using is actually this one. I feel like the colours in it are so nice.
I'm going to be using this one.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, as you guys know, we're so new to eyeshadow, and it's going to be a very basic thing. So please, if this goes wrong, it's probably not the eyeshadow, it's probably us.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm really trying to experiment and, you know, try new things. So.
Yeah, you guys always say, please try eyeshadow.
Yeah, so.
Okay,
Oh my
this palette actually is so nice.
I don't know which one to use
You're
because
gonna
I'm
go
scared.
that one. I'm gonna
go that one, but I'm gonna do like a lighter colour. I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna go, let me just show them. I don't do this, so this is weird. I'm gonna go with this colour up here. I've always wanted to do that. So I'm gonna go with this shade just here. I'm not sure what it calls because it doesn't say at the back.
But you can see.
But it's this one there. So I'm just gonna whack that a little bit on the top of my eyelids.
And I'm literally just gonna go with one shadow in the crease.
Yeah,
and
so
I think I'm gonna go with this.
and I don't. Oh, so there we go. We're using different things.
Let's try.
Guys, how am I meant to do it? I'm confused. Can you just hold this like that a second? Just 1 second.
Of course, babe.
Right, should we go in with a little bit of like this pinky colour in the inside bit here?
I literally want to bless myself because I'm like, what am I doing?
Yeah, people are gonna be like, what the frick are they doing?
What does mine look like?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Does it?
Yeah, can you hold that up again for me? So
Well, I've gone for the orange. I just thought it was quite nice. I don't know if to go for like a brownie or like in the corner, or should I just leave it what I've got?
I think it looks nice like that. I think if we go a step forward, we may just ruin it.
Shall we show them? Can you see it?
Can you see, guys?
That's what we went for. That's what we went for.
That is what we went for.
But this palette is beautiful.
Highlight.
And we're going to use this palette again, actually.
Yes, we are, because look at that beautiful colour in the middle. Let's have a look.
You go first. I want to see this glow on you. I'm a bit scared to try anything now.
What does it look like?
A glow. I mean, you could put a bit more on, I think.
I'm scared. I always get scared to put like highlighter on. There, look. Oh, I like that. Go on, girl. Go on.
No, that is the highlighter. I really like the highlighter. Should we go on to
highlighter? Should we go into the main thing?
Oh wait, one of these are. Oh. One of these are we're giving away. This is your one.
I know.
I picked up 2 different kinds of lipstick. So I actually went for a lipstick, and I went for
a matte lip kit.
So can I use your pencil?
Yeah, of course.
And I picked my lipstick in Exposed.
Right, let's have a look. They look like the Kylie ones, because
I like this packaging.
I know. Do you know what, guys? That looks like MAC, 100%. Damn, Daniel. Damn.
Sorry, who's Daniel?
Don't you know who Daniel is?
Who is Daniel? That's really nice.
Okay, so I'm going to put the lip on top.
Mine just looks a bit too light. Let me just see what that looks like, because I might just go over. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm going to go over and mix the colours together and then maybe put this back on top. Yeah, I might do that. So this is really nice, but I do feel like you might need to mix in different colours. Like maybe a brown lip liner, which I don't have with me right now. But I think that's a lovely colour.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Finishing off with a spray. Let's see what this is like. This is meant to be illuminating.
Let's have a
Don't
spritz.
like the smell of it.
Oh my god, this, I'm not gonna lie, that stinks. God, that stinks. What are we thinking? I'm just loving the eyeshadow. I love
My
the
favourite is
lipstick.
the eyeshadow palette. I love your lipstick on you. I think for this, my lipstick's really, really nice and I really do like it. I like the formula, just too light for me. We want to give you guys a giveaway within this video. Now, obviously we've done this video and we've loved the way that this makeup looked on our face. So we want to give something back to you guys. So in this video, you're going to be able to win either, so there's going to be 2 winners. We wanted there to be 2 winners just so that it was nicer. The first person will win a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this is so nice. I will say it's basically like this but bigger and better. Yeah, we don't want to open it because it's all sealed and you know it's a new product for someone. So yeah, so you'll be winning this along with a lipstick that really looks like a MAC lipstick, which is that which Ayse's showing, and it's bloody beautiful. It's and I feel like it will suit a lot of tones. I really, really like this. Next winner would win a strobe lighting highlight palette, which looks bloody beautiful. Like, it looks really, really nice. It's 3 different shades of highlight.
So. Yeah, so for 3 different skin tones. Perfect. And also you will get the matte lip kit that I'm wearing today, which is bloody beautiful, and you guys knew this.
It's such a nice colour.
It's such a nice colour. I feel like this is going to be like one of my go-to nudes now.
Yeah.
I love it. You can tell that I love it, can't you? It's so nice.
It's so, I'm jealous.
So that will be for winner number 2. It's only small, but we just wanted to give back and say thank you. This is going to be a series, so make sure you keep a lookout because we will be doing this a lot more often. So what you have to do to take part in this, if you want to, is
1, you need to make sure you're subscribed to our channel, of course.
Number 2, you need to make sure you are following us both on Instagram, so they will be linked down below. Okay, and number 3, all you need to do is put it on your story and just say that you've entered, and then we will see because you would have tagged us in it. And yeah, and that is basically all you need to do. So yeah, it'd be quite fun to see if any of you guys are interested. And let's see who the lucky winners are. So good luck. Good luck. So yeah, good luck.
So yeah, good luck.
So good luck. So that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments down below if you have any. Make sure you let us know what other brands you want us to do because we want to try so many. So make sure you start leaving them down below.
And of course we'll be giving giveaways again,
along with each and every one of them.
Each one that we try. So yeah. Giving back to you guys for watching our videos. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.